this is Karuna, back to my channel. Friends, like all my previous videos, today also I am giving an information around the world through this bulletin. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has made a surprise visit to India's north region with China in his first trip to the area since a deadly border clash last month. China appoints hardliner as head of Hong Kong's new national security agency. Coronavirus conspiracy theories are hampering frantic efforts to contain a steep spike in cases around the city of Melbourne, where more than 10,000 people have refused testing, Australian health authorities want. Misinformation about Taiwan's immigration restrictions for Hong Kong citizens circulates online. While US posts a record 53,000 coronavirus cases, a slowdown of the virus spread in Europe leads Britain to announce the first exemptions to its quarantine rules. A municipal employee sprays disinfectant in San Jose. Costa Rica's Ministry of Health has ordered an increase in disinfection operations in the city in the face of rising COVID-19 cases in recent days. A woman prays under the fingertips of the largest Buddha statue in Thailand as authorities reopen sites to tourists following lockdowns to halt the spread of COVID-19. Global coronavirus infections have hit record highs as the United States and Brazil battle the world's deadliest outbreaks, while new clusters around the planet test fragile gains in containing the disease. The US Supreme Court agreed to decide whether Democrats in Congress can access politically explosive evidence underlying the investigation into allied collusion between President Donald Trump's elections campaign and Russia. Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg has agreed to a new meeting with activists on the social media giant content policies while rowing to resist pressure from an advertiser boycott. Florida reported a record of more than 10,000 new coronavirus cases as it struggles to rein in the virus spread, blamed in part on young people congregating in the US state. India reported a single-day record for new COVID-19 cases with more than 20,903 infections, taking its total tally to over 625,000. Thailand is opening bars and pubs across the country since the coronavirus lockdown frustrated bar and pub owners saw restaurants resume alcohol sales 2 weeks ago. Although the Brazilian government is paying around $112 a month in emergency aid to informal workers and the unemployed nearly 4 months into the COVID-19, Brazilians are going hungry. ICMR has announced that the coronavirus vaccine named after Covaxin, an Indian biotech company based in Hyderabad, will be available by August 15th. ICMR has selected 12 hospitals in the country for this vaccine clinical trial. To this extent, they have the written letters. The vaccine developed by Bharat Biotech in collaboration with ICMR and the Virology Institute in Pune has urged ICMR hospital to complete the clinical trials. These are all the news about today. Please share this video. Don't forget to subscribe also. Signing off today.